Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share a quick flip through of my completed traveler's notebook. This is the one I used for, oh, the date is here, August to November of 2019. And as you can see how chunky this has gotten. Now, oh my gosh, you guys, I was looking back at one of my other ones that I did before. Well, I've done quite a few. If you guys are new to my channel, check out my playlist. I usually, kind of have playlists showing you different things that I've done, and I have completed journals that I have worked on. I was looking back at one of my Daphne's Diary ones that I made a while back, and after I finished this one, and I thought I just love all the memories that are left in here. So let me just take you inside. The cover is blank because I have so much of it. I can't even close it very well anymore. It's just so stuffed. So I think I've shown you some of these pieces before. And so I'm just going to quickly kind of, take you through it, what I've done and the different things that I like to do for memory keeping. This actually is a painting my daughter did. I took a picture of it, but she did this painting as a small card for my husband's birthday. Oh my gosh, she's 15, you guys. I just have to show it to you closer if you can even see it. She's 15. I love her art. I know she's my daughter, but she's just very talented. So anyways, just showing you different bits and pieces of things that I like to do for memory keeping. It's just, nice to go back and see what I was working on at the time. I think I showed you guys this spread. I do also have a journal with me playlist that I will link below if you wanted to see how I have, kind of completed some of these pages. So many fun bits and pieces. I love interactive type of pages, as you can see here. There's so many, different flip outs and secret little spots. This is something that came from Cynthia from the US. Here I just kind of quickly jotted this down. On the 13th of September, I hit 13K on Instagram and 8K on YouTube. So it's quite exciting to keep track of that. Otherwise, I, wouldn't remember when that happened. Oh my gosh, this mail came from Selena from Australia. And I just kind of added some of the pieces in here. Little envelope with, I think you guys would have seen this already, the tiniest little notebook. So I thought I would just attach that here. And I'm so excited as well, you guys, the giveaway. I like this as well. I put it in here. The giveaway that I have for the faux memo printer. I'm almost ready to announce the winner, I guess, in a couple of days. So I'm excited about that. So here I've got a couple things happening. This mail came from Gaye, G-A-Y-E, and she is in the US. So I have another part of her mail somewhere else, but I just thought I wanted to add some pieces. But this is a separate date that I wanted to document, or I wrote it down at some point. I went to the Festival of Lights with my daughter. Lanterns that you make the lanterns, or you put them together, I guess, and then you light them up, and it was just such a beautiful day. So I just wanted to keep that memory there. This mail came from Anne from Victoria, BC. So her letter and some of the pieces that she sent, I just added in here. This was the crafty meetup that we had. I'm meeting up with a bunch of friends now. Hi ladies, if any of you are watching, and we try to get together once a month. So I'm kind of trying to document when we do that. The last one was canceled because of bad weather, but we rescheduled it, so it was kind of fun. This came from Heather. Now Heather has sent me a couple of pieces, including these really fabulous fabric covered paper envelopes, which I absolutely love. Here, just got a little bit other things here. Oh, I had to jot this down because October 1st, we were at 27 degrees, and that's not very normal for us in Canada, or at least where I'm at in Ontario. It was hot, it was humid, it was sunny. And then within days of that, it was incredibly crazy weather. This is like a little sneak peek of my craft room space, you guys. I've started to put things together. If you can see here, the flooring was in finally, the wall was repaired. It was a mess before. So I will be showing you guys more videos on that once I've got stuff set up. This one, October 28th, I reached 14K on Instagram, and I thought it was something, of course, I had to document. I opened up the consignment shop. Oh my gosh, that is going so incredibly well, and you guys have to check it out if you have not seen it. I'll link that below. So many awesome so many awesome creators that I am featuring and selling their stuff. So that's in my shop. This came from Desiree from, did I write from where? Where are you from, Desiree? I think it's South Africa, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I will have to write that down somewhere. But anyways, oh my gosh, her mail was so inspiring. I did share it with you guys, but I wanted to add some of the pieces here, like these beautiful little paper clips and stuff like that. And of course, not related, I had to jot down our first snowfall was November the 7th, and it was a sunny day, so that was kind of weird as well. Here, this is actually from South Africa, from Marcy, and Marcy sent, oh my gosh, she sent the most fabulous collaged postcards, but I just have a little bit of that here. And as you can see, I don't necessarily like fill every page, especially now that it's so stuffed. This came from Robin in Arizona from the US, and so this is her note, and I just have some pieces that she sent, and she had these really nice fabric ribbony things, so I added that here. So thank you so much for that. This was just some other pieces that Fomemo. So this was the Fomemo printer, I guess, entry. I had 9K on YouTube. So I hit 9,000 subscribers in November on YouTube, and that was November 16th, I guess. So OMG, I love that. This is from Carrie from Australia. She sent me a bunch of these really nice cancel stamps. I love cancel stamps, and I just wrote a little note about it in a card that she also sent. I remember doing this with you guys. This is the boxes that I get from Your Creative Studio. Amanda's boxes are amazing, you guys. I've done a few unboxings for her, and then of course I show you guys, you know, some stuff that I do with the pieces that she has, and so I just kind of did a little layout. So I've done a few. I know the first few ones are in the front somewhere. I think this is one of them. So anyways, I have, like I said, playlists of me filling out these pages and just, you know, adding some goodies. And now here I didn't even bother because it is so stuffed. I couldn't add anything more to it, but I love it. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm working in for December. I've got some fabulous giveaways coming up in addition to the Fomemo printer giveaway, you guys. I have so much happening on my channel. I'm working on a tutorial right now, almost finished, that I'll be showing you guys, and it is so easy and fun, and I know a lot of you guys were requesting that as well. I have the latest Daphne's Diary, just a little sneak peek, and I'll be doing a quick flip through of that one very soon. And I think that's it for now, you guys. So thank you so much to everyone who has sent me some beautiful pieces of mail. I will be sharing also my friendship journal, which this kind of feels a little bit like it as well. And yeah, I'm so looking forward to you know, continuing to share with you guys. And please let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this style of video. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know when I have a new video coming out. And thank you so much for joining me again. See you next time. Bye.